Hi guys, Python Programmer back here with another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about two books that will skyrocket your programming skills. So the first one is Python for Kids. It dives in really in depth, it has really good projects, and you can get it on Amazon. It's affordable and you can learn Python fast with it. The second one would be the 2022 version of Python Programming for Beginners 2022 by Andrew Park. And this is good because it teaches you the basics to advanced in Python, and I would highly recommend getting it. If you want to become a Python pro faster, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for new coding tips every week.